Why people are leaving Singapore and moving to Malaysia. For decades, Singapore has been seen as the ultimate dream destination. A country famous for its wealth, safety, discipline, and world-class infrastructure. People from all over Asia and the world move to Singapore hoping for a better future, higher salaries, and a successful life. And for a long time, Singapore delivered exactly that. But something unexpected is happening now. Quietly, steadily, and surprisingly, people are leaving Singapore, and many of them are choosing Malaysia as their new home. At first, this sounds shocking. Why would anyone leave one of the richest and most successful countries in the world? Why walk away from high salaries, global exposure, and a strong passport? The answer is simple, but uncomfortable: money alone is no longer enough. Life in Singapore has become extremely expensive, highly stressful, and emotionally exhausting for many people. The pressure to perform, compete, and survive in a fast-moving system has started to outweigh the benefits. On the other side of the border, Malaysia offers something Singapore is slowly losing: balance. A slower pace of life, affordable living, personal freedom, and strong social connections. Malaysia may not pay as much as Singapore, but it gives people something equally valuable: peace of mind. This migration is not about failure. Many of those leaving Singapore are successful professionals, business owners, retirees, and even Singaporeans themselves. They are not running away from Singapore, they are choosing a different definition of success. In this video, we will uncover the real reasons why people are leaving Singapore and moving to Malaysia. Not rumors. Not social media hype. But real, logical, and emotional reasons that are shaping this silent shift. Subscribe to the channel if you want honest global realities, deep comparisons, and content that mainstream media avoids. Now, let's explore the truth. The rising cost of living in Singapore. One of the biggest reasons people are leaving Singapore is the unbearable cost of living. Over the past few years, prices of housing, rent, food, transport, and utilities have risen sharply. Even people earning above-average salaries find it difficult to save money. Renting a small apartment can cost more than an entire family's monthly expenses in Malaysia. Buying a home is almost impossible for foreigners and extremely expensive even for locals. Owning a car is a luxury reserved for the wealthy due to high taxes and permits. In contrast, Malaysia offers a much more affordable lifestyle. People can rent spacious homes, own cars, eat out regularly, and still save money. For many, the math is simple: earning slightly less but saving more is a smarter choice. High salaries, low savings. Singapore is known for high salaries, but what many people don't realize is how little remains at the end of the month. After rent, transport, insurance, taxes, and daily expenses, savings shrink quickly. Malaysia may offer lower salaries, but expenses are so reasonable that people often save a higher percentage of their income. This financial breathing room reduces anxiety and improves quality of life. For families, this difference is even more significant. Education, childcare, and healthcare costs in Singapore add heavy financial pressure, while Malaysia provides similar services at a fraction of the cost. Work pressure and burnout culture. Singapore's work culture is efficient, competitive, and demanding. Long working hours, constant performance evaluation, and fear of falling behind create chronic stress. Success is respected, but rest is not. Many professionals describe life in Singapore as living inside a never-ending race. Even after achieving financial stability, the pressure does not stop. Promotions, targets, and competition continue. Malaysia offers a healthier work-life balance. While productivity matters, personal life, family time, and mental health are given more space. This balance is a major reason people choose to relocate. Freedom versus control. Singapore is famous for its strict laws and regulations. While these rules ensure safety and order, they also make life feel highly controlled. Heavy fines, surveillance, and strict enforcement affect daily freedom. Malaysia offers more personal freedom and flexibility. While laws exist, daily life feels more relaxed and less monitored. Some people prefer discipline. Others prefer breathing space. Many leaving Singapore have realized they value freedom over perfection. Foreigners' long-term uncertainty. In Singapore, visas and residency rules are strict and highly competitive. Foreigners constantly worry about renewals, job security, and eligibility. Malaysia provides friendlier long-term stay options, including retirement visas and digital nomad programs. This stability attracts foreigners looking for a permanent or semi-permanent home. Living without constant visa anxiety is a major relief. Education pressure on children. Singapore's education system is world-class but extremely stressful. Children face academic pressure from a very young age. Many parents worry about their children's mental health. Malaysia offers quality education with less pressure and more flexibility. International schools are affordable, and children enjoy a more balanced upbringing. Parents increasingly choose Malaysia to give their children a happier childhood. Healthcare cost comparison. Singapore's healthcare system is excellent but expensive. Without strong insurance, medical bills can be overwhelming. Malaysia provides high-quality healthcare at affordable prices, attracting not only residents but also medical tourists. For retirees and families, healthcare affordability is a critical factor. Singaporeans are leaving too. Surprisingly, not only foreigners but Singaporeans themselves are moving to Malaysia. Rising living costs and intense pressure have pushed many to seek a calmer life across the border. This is one of the strongest indicators that the shift is real. Conclusion. People are not leaving Singapore because it has failed. They are leaving because their priorities have changed. Singapore remains a global success story, efficient, powerful, and wealthy. But wealth alone does not guarantee happiness. Malaysia offers what many people now seek: affordability, balance, freedom, and emotional comfort. The move from Singapore to Malaysia is not a downgrade, it is a lifestyle upgrade for many. The truth is simple but shocking. Singapore builds success. Malaysia sustains life. And that is why people are quietly crossing the border, not to escape ambition, but to rediscover peace,